Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Captain Willie. Today we're going to make some rod ties. So, this is what they look like. So this is just an elastic string with some beads and knots. They sell these at the sporting goods store. It's a lot better than putting a rubber band over the end of your rod for transport, because rubber bands over the end of your rod is, you got to put them over and wrap them and twist them, and it's a pain in the butt. It's not very fast, and it's kind of hard on the eyes too. This is nice and soft and elastic. So these things run like $3 a piece. I'm going to show you how to make them. Quick and easy. This is one of those casino lanyards. You get them at the casino, you put your casino card on them. They're free. So the beads are also free. Yard sale status. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bead, put it over the string. I'm going to take another bead, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little piece of braided line I got, and I'm going to put the braided line through the elastic like this, and I'm going to pass both ends of this braided line through a bead. Both ends. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And then I'm going to use that braided line to pull. Whoops. I'm going to use this braided line to pull the elastic through the bead. Because if you try to go through it and then through it again, the elastic's just too thick. See, I got braided line going over the elastic with the bead. I'm just going to pull the elastic through the bead like that. Done. Next trick, get some line out here, some elastic, and put a bead over it. I'm just going to tie a single overhand knot, just like that. Pull it tight. Run your bead to the end. I'm going to feed a little bit more out for a little bit bigger rod. Then I'm going to look here, and that's where I'm going to cut it. Another bead. Another knot. Whammy. There it is. Back this bead down, put it over your rod, pull the bead tight, ready for transport. Thanks for watching.